Welcome back. If you're looking for a free AI image generation tool that offers various styles from realistic, animated, anime to linear art, then this tutorial video is exactly what you need. In this detailed step-by-step guide, I will show you how to use PicLumen AI with its text-to-image transformation capability. You can access the Flux version for free through PicLumen and turn your ideas into amazing artwork. I won't waste your time, so let's dive right in. First, go to the PicLumen AI Art Generator website to get started and create an account. Click on the Launch App button at the top right corner of the website. On the login page, you can either create an account using your personal email or sign in using a Google account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Explore page, which is a collection of images generated by PicLumen AI. In the top left corner, you can see image categories and select any category that interests you. I'll scroll through each category to show you. There are many beautiful images. When you click on an image, a new page will open where you can view and browse images in a larger size. On this page, you can also see the prompt used to create the image, details such as negative prompt, image size, and the model used to generate the image. PicLumen's website supports multiple languages, and from the menu at the bottom left corner, you can change the website's language to Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, French, and several other languages. By clicking on the three-dot icon next to your username, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll click on Usage Dashboard. This page explains that the image generation speed is related to a feature called fast hours. Basically, you get zero point 0.5 fast hours every day, which resets daily at midnight GMT. If you run out of fast hours, your task will take longer in the queue. But even if your fast hours are used up, you can still generate an unlimited number of images. To create images from text on PicLumen AI Art Generator, click on the Create option from the left menu. On this page, you will see the history of images you've created. At the top of the Create page, there's a text box for entering your prompt. A prompt is where you input your idea in text form. The more detailed the idea, the better the AI will understand and transform it into an image. I already have a prompt prepared and will right-click to paste it into the text box. Above the prompt box, there is a drop-down list offering 4 models to create images. In the first example, I select the PicLumen Realistic Vi 2 model. Next to it, there is a drop-down menu to set the aspect ratio. You can choose square images, vertical or horizontal rectangles, to align the size with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or video platforms like YouTube. In the next section, you can choose how many images you want to generate at once, from 1 to 4. In the top right corner of the prompt box, there is an auto-translate icon, meaning you can write your prompt in your native language, and this option will automatically translate it into English. Next to the auto-translate icon is another icon called Prompt Enhance, which is used to improve the quality of the image by expanding the words in your prompt. The quality improves, but the accuracy might decrease. I click on the settings icon in the negative prompt section, where you can specify things you don't want in the generated image. The CFG scale option controls how much the prompt influences the generated image. Don't worry, feel free to experiment with different parameters to see the results. The steps option determines the number of steps used to generate the image. More steps can create more detailed images. The seed option allows you to set a specific starting point for the random number generator to produce replicable results. After adjusting the settings, I click the Generate button, and my request is queued. Shortly after, the images are ready to view in a larger size. I click on the thumbnail of one of the images from the right-hand side, and by clicking on the thumbnails, I can access and view all of them. Based on the images you see, PicLumen Realistic V2's text-to-image feature works excellently, creating wonderful images in a very short time. By clicking the download option, you can save the image to your device for free. To delete any image, hover over it and click the three-dot icon. A drop-down menu will appear where you'll find the delete option. Now I want to test PicLumen AI's ability to create images of famous people. I enter a request into the text box, this time asking the AI to create an image of Ronaldo. Using the same settings as before, I reselect the 16:9 aspect ratio and click the Generate button, queuing my request. After a short while, Ronaldo's image is ready. As you can see, PicLumen AI did a great job. Let's try an example with another famous male character. I enter a request into the text box, this time asking PicLumen AI to create an image of Messi with a radiant smile, looking happy and joyful. Using the same settings as before, I click Generate, and my request is queued. After a short while, Messi's image is ready. As you can see, PicLumen AI also did a good job here. Not only does Messi's image closely resemble him, but the AI also created a smiling version of him based on my request. One of PicLumen AI's features is the ability to remove the background of an image. Hover over the image you want to remove the background from, then click on the three-dot icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Remove Background. Your request will be queued, and shortly after, the background will be removed, and the thumbnail of the image will be displayed. As you can see, there's no need to use Photoshop or any complex tools. It's very simple. To download it in PNG format, click on the download icon located to the right of each image. To delete this image from your collection of images generated with PicLumen, hover over the thumbnail of that image, then click on the three-dot icon. A drop-down menu will appear where you click on Delete and confirm the deletion. Let's challenge PicLumen's image generator with another script. I will paste it into the text input box. Using the same settings as before, I click the Generate button, and my request is queued. Shortly after, the supercar images are ready. Let's take a look at these images. As you can see, PicLumen AI did a great job with this one. The cars look very cool, and they perfectly match the request I provided. One of PicLumen's features is AI-powered image expansion, allowing you to zoom into an image and have the AI automatically complete the extended parts. Let me show you how this works in practice. Hover over the image you want to expand, then click on the three-dot icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Expand. The expansion page will open, where handles around the image allow you to drag and specify the direction in which you want to expand the image. Below the image, there are preset values like 1.5x and 2x to automatically expand the image without dragging the handles. I select the AI expansion option, 2x, and then click Submit. My request is queued, and shortly after, the expanded image is ready. By clicking on the thumbnail, I can view the expanded version of the image. As you can see, the AI expansion style and quality perfectly match the original. The added details in the larger version are seamless, making it look as though the original image had been created at this larger size from the beginning. PicLumen's image generator offers various models, including LineArt V1, and now I want to compare it to the realistic V2 model to see the differences. We'll use the same prompt and settings to create supercar images with the realistic V2 model, but this time we'll experiment with the LineArt V1 model. To do this, I hover over one of the car images, click on the three-dot icon, and select Remix. The Remix option will fill in the same prompt and settings used in the previous version with the realistic V2 model. The only thing left is to select LineArt V1 from the model drop-down list. I click Generate. My request is queued, and shortly after, the supercar images appear. Let's take a look at these images. The style is quite different, showing only the main outlines of the image without colors. As you can see, PicLumen AI did very well in this case, creating images that look like pencil drawings on white paper. Now I will use the Flux.1 model, which is one of the latest and most impressive image generation models, recently released by the Black Forest Labs team, with the ability to create stunning images. I've already written a prompt and will paste it into the text input box. From the drop-down list, I select the Flux.1 Schnell model. Using the same settings as before, the 16:9 aspect ratio, and generating 4 images in the output, I click Generate. My request is queued, and shortly after, the text-to-image generation process is complete using the Flux Schnell model, and the thumbnails have appeared. Let's take a look at these images. The Flux.1 Schnell version is designed for developers, creative projects, and even experimental works, while the Flux Point 1 welt model focuses on producing higher quality, more realistic results. PicLumen is an innovative and user-friendly tool for anyone who wants to create images from text without any advanced graphic design skills. Now, I'm going to guide you on how to create images in a 3D cartoon style, also known as the Pixar style, using the Flux model. I've prepared a prompt to generate a cartoon image of Messi, and I'll paste it into the text input box. As you can see from the prompt, to create images in the Pixar style, you should use keywords like 3D cartoon or 3D animation in the text. This will inform the AI of the style you want. I'm using the same settings, the Flux 1 Schnell model, a 16 by 9 aspect ratio, and I'm generating 4 images in the output. Then I click Generate. My request is placed in the queue, and after a short while, the text-to-image process is complete and the thumbnails are displayed. All the images are in the 3D style, and I'm quite satisfied with the cartoon look of these images. Next, I tried generating another cartoon image, this time of Ronaldo, just to see how it would turn out. You know, it's completely free, so I can experiment as much as I want. The images have appeared, and look at Ronaldo and Messi with their bright smiles. Simply amazing. There's so much more you can do with this AI, so stay tuned for more tutorial videos in the future. If you found something useful in this video, share it with your friends. And don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel right now, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Have a great day, everyone.